soap.
Have fun. How do you
And then
do
kind
it?
of like wipe it off on this side a little. There we go.
Can I do it one more time?
Ooh. Hey guys.
Chicken wing.
Who are you? And who are you?
With
And what are we doing today, guys?
doing a germ science experiment.
Pepper water germ experiment. Haha, I got it. To show why we should wash our hands. Okay, so first things first, we have a bowl. Boop, boop. And here is your water, and here's your water. Go ahead and dump it in. Don't splash it all.
I'm gonna go first.
That's fine.
Oh.
Go. Liz, yes.
I did not know it was gonna fill up that.
That's a lot of water. I know. That's fine. Thank you. And next, we have just pepper. Regular ground black pepper from your store, or maybe just from your pantry.
So now, I'm gonna go first, then Mommy, then this.
Nope. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. One more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey, 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 hey. You have to shoot when I say shoot. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
There's 2 times.
Oliver, would you like to go first or second?
First.
All right, dump the pepper in.
No,
Oh, that's a lot.
I don't know.
Go ahead, Liz. Dump some pepper in. Try and get it all over. Because germs don't live in just one spot. Yes, girl. That's good. Okay.
It's not even making me sneeze.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It smells like lettuce.
Okay, so what? It smells like what?
A lot of it is sinking.
That's fine. Sometimes it does.
It does move too.
Germs don't always stay in one spot. Okay, so each of you will take one little finger,
This. Ooh.
and then we're gonna dunk it in the water. Go. Dunk it in. And you see, dunk it in, Liz. Okay, and pull it out, Liz. Let's look. All the pepper that's stuck to your fingers, that represents all the germs. And if you just like stick your hand in the water, then you get germs. Okay, Liz, add your pepper. All over, all over. Don't just dump it in one spot. Sprinkle it, sprinkle it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pass it on over to Oliver. Do the same thing. Sprinkle it, sprinkle it. Don't dump it in one spot. There you go. Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. Okay, Liz, dunk your finger into the soap. Let's see what happens. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then into the water we go.
That's a lot of centuries.
Whoa, we went already. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's super cool. Oliver, you try. So,
Have fun.
and then kind of like wipe it off on this side a little. There we go.
Can I do it one more time?
Ooh. Yeah, go ahead, Liz.
It was just running away.
Yeah. Okay, so that's cool. Try again, see what happens.
Me too.
Nothing happens. Nothing happens.
Oh.
You have so much pepper in yours. You have a lot of germs.
I do
A
that.
lot of germs. Go ahead.
But the germs are getting me.
So, but you see how like the soap makes the pepper or the germs run away? That's why we wash our hands, guys. Because wouldn't that be super gross if we just walk around with germs all over our hands?
Yeah.
Yuck. All day. That'd be so gross. Look. Gross. Okay, that's why we wash our hands. Now, let's go wash our hands. Liz, wash it. Okay, you're gonna get your hands wet, right? And then we get soap on, then we sing our chicken wing song twice. Okay, go. Get your soap. Good job. And talking alone, chicken with my home, eating macaroni, chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chilling with my homies, eating macaroni. Yes! There we go, atta girl. So we sing the chicken wing song. How many times do we sing that song?
2 times.
2 times. Let's go wash it. Get your hands wet. Gemma, Gemma, Gemma.
Chicken wing has like a brownie. Chicken with macaroni. Eating macaroni. Chicken wing has like a macaroni. Chicken with macaroni. Eating macaroni.
Yeah! Bum, 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 bum. Okay, just kidding. There you go. So that is our science experiment. You guys, thank you so much for showing us how to wash our hands properly, Oliver. Hey. Okay, so what do we say, guys?
Cool. Thanks for watching. If you like to see our channel, do all of us just play and subscribe and do our notification.
Just give us a...
Like! No.
Give us a...
No.
thumbs up. You were about to do it. Yeah.
And give us a like.
A like is a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and what? Subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.